If you're thinking about investing in FieldCircle, you're probably wondering if it's the right choice for your business. In this video, I'll break down 7 things you absolutely need to know before buying FieldCircle, and by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how it stacks up against its competitors and if it's the right tool for you. Stick around because at the end, I'll share how you can get an exclusive free trial. Let's dive in. First off, FieldCircle is a field service management software that offers a lot of promise. It's designed to streamline your service operations, manage teams, and track jobs all from one platform. What sets it apart from other tools like Jobber and Service Titan is its emphasis on simplicity without sacrificing powerful features. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, which makes onboarding for new users pretty seamless compared to the complexity found in some of its competitors. Next thing you need to know is that FieldCircle has robust scheduling and dispatch features. This is one of the main strengths of the platform. You can easily assign jobs to field technicians based on their location and availability, ensuring no time is wasted. While tools like HouseCall Pro also offer scheduling, FieldCircle takes it a step further with real-time tracking and smart notifications. This means you'll get updates as your team progresses through jobs, which is perfect for customer service and operational efficiency. The third thing to consider is the mobile app. For a field service business, a mobile-friendly app is a must. FieldCircle shines here, offering a user-friendly mobile interface that field technicians can use to access job details, update progress, and send reports in real time. Compared to something like Service Titan, FieldCircle offers a smoother, less cluttered mobile experience, making it ideal for smaller to mid-sized businesses that need simplicity but also require reliability. The fourth thing to keep in mind is its CRM functionality. FieldCircle not only helps you manage your jobs, but also keeps track of customers and leads. This is a feature you might not find in other specialized field service software, like Jobber, which tends to focus more narrowly on job management. FieldCircle combines both customer relationship management and field operations in one, giving you a more holistic view of your business activities and growth potential. Next, let's talk about the integrations. FieldCircle allows you to integrate with a variety of other business tools, such as QuickBooks and Google Calendar. This is a huge plus, as it means you won't have to manually transfer data between platforms. Unlike some competitors like Service Titan, which tend to lock you into their ecosystem, FieldCircle offers flexibility and ensures it can work with your existing software stack. The sixth thing you need to know is its reporting and analytics features. This is an area where FieldCircle really competes with top-tier field service management platforms. The reporting tools are built for business owners who need to make data-driven decisions. With easy-to-read reports on team performance, service efficiency, and customer satisfaction, you get a clear picture of how your business is performing. While some other tools like Jobber have decent reporting, FieldCircle's depth and customization options stand out. The seventh and final thing to consider is the price. FieldCircle is generally more affordable than its competitors like Service Titan, which is known for being on the expensive side. For smaller businesses or those just starting out, FieldCircle offers a cost-effective solution without cutting corners on essential features. The best part is you can try out the software for completely free by clicking the first link below, and that will give you a good idea of whether it fits your needs before making any commitment. So if you're ready to take your field service management to the next level with an affordable, user-friendly tool, don't hesitate to give FieldCircle a try. Click the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else.